Cheers! That's what we're going to be talking about today.
More specifically, the Carnival Cheers package.
So in this video, we're going to be talking about drinking alcohol, and we're going to be talking about what we did on our Carnival cruise with our Cheers package, and what is the benefits of the Cheers package, and what is the cons of the Cheers package. But before we get into that, I'd like to tell everyone, if you're having trouble with alcohol, please make sure that you drink responsibly, get the help that you need, get into a program. It's very beneficial.
And seek medical advice if needed.
This is something that I would not recommend if you're struggling with alcohol.
So imagine, you're about to go on a cruise. You're probably wondering what the Cheers package is, what you want to do with it, if you want it, if you don't want it, and if it's affordable.
How much is it? So we just went on our honeymoon. It was a 7-day cruise through Carnival. We went to Montego Bay, Grand Cayman Islands, and Cozumel, Mexico.
It was wonderful.
We ported out of New Orleans, and we had a 7-day cruise. We had one ocean view room, and we decided to get the Cheers package. We had a lot of friends tell us not to because they said that it wasn't worth it. They also tried to tell us how to smuggle it in. We're not recommending you do that.
That's not a good idea.
You can definitely get kicked off the ship if you do that.
And they're gonna confiscate it anyway, because they can see it, and so don't do that.
Yeah, just don't do that. So, what did we pay? For our cruise, for just the Cheers package alone, was $50 a person with 15% gratuity. So for a 7-day cruise, it was $804 total. Now here's the catch. If you are over 21 and you are in a stateroom and you have another person that's over 21 and you want the Cheers package, that person has to buy it with you.
And that may seem like it sucks, but it doesn't. It's because we went on a 7-day cruise versus going on a 3 or 4-day cruise. If that was the case, then it would have been a lot cheaper.
Yeah. The reason that they do this is Carnival does not want you to share your alcohol. I don't like sharing anyways, especially if it's drinks. Anyways, Carnival doesn't want you to share. So you gotta be mindful of them. They're trying to run a business, and so they're trying to get the most out of you. Doesn't mean that you get to share your drinks. You only get 15. Be mindful of that.
15 alcoholic per day.
A little bit more on the 15 drinks. What does that mean? Okay, you get 15 drinks. In between each drink, you have to wait 5 minutes, and literally 5 minutes.
They clock you.
On top of the 15 drinks and waiting 5 minutes per drink, it rolls over 24 hours. So from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. the next day. Okay, so we covered how much it is. We covered how old you have to be in order to get it. We covered how many drinks you get, which is 15 in case you missed it. We covered that you can't share.
What we would like to do is to throw some numbers at you, and then that way you can see if it's worth it for yourself.
On average, the cost of beer is gonna be between $5 and $7 per bottle. The cost of any mixed drink is gonna be between $9 and $12. The cost of a glass of wine is gonna be between $9 and $17. And then the cost of a glass of whiskey with a little bit of soda, like Jack and 7-Up, is gonna be between $7 and $12. So here's the math. If it's $50 per day, and that's if you buy it before you get on your cruise, if you bought 5 drinks of what the prices that we just gave you, you'd already pay for your day. But with the Cheers package, you get 15, and you get 15 of whatever you want.
So you might be wondering, is that all that it includes? Actually, it doesn't. It includes a little bit more.
Additionally, you get 25% off of menu price by the bottle of wine and alcohol. So that's a huge deal.
In addition to the bottles and the champagne, you also get an additional 25% off any spirits and cocktails that are $50 US and above. So if something is $50, so like this particular whiskey, McLaren 25, not a McLaren 12, could possibly be $50 a shot. That could be 25% off.
Not only that, but you also get 25% off of beverage classes and seminars.
We didn't actually take advantage of this, but we wish we had. So, lesson learned for our first time cruises. You get 24 hours to have 15 drinks. Trust me, you won't be able to do it unless you really try.
Okay, so let's talk about some things that are not included in the Cheers package.
Very first thing is souvenir glasses. They're gonna come around every night and every lunch and breakfast, and they're gonna offer you a souvenir glass, and it'll have a shot of something, or it'll have a cocktail in it, or a special juice that you won't be able to get only for this day. We actually did buy a couple, and these are just a couple that we got. This is the shot glass that we got, and it's got Carnival written on it. Really nice, you know, kind of fancy.
And this is the souvenir cup that we got.
Yeah.
And then on the back it's got fun for all for fun. Carnival's signature phrase.
Those are actually not included. The shot glass was $8 and the souvenir cup was $10. Also not included is if your particular stateroom has a mini bar, that's not included in the Cheers package. They're gonna charge you extra for what you've taken out of that mini bar. Along with any of your room service drinks or cocktails that you have, that's gonna be charged to you as well. Those are not included, even if you do have the Cheers package.
Along with the waters that you see when you come into your room for the first time, those liter bottles, those aren't included either. They're about $4 a bottle.
Yeah, it's a 1.5 liter water bottle, and it has a price tag on it that says it's $4. But here's the catch. You can each get one of those, so for whoever has the Cheers package, each of you get one of those 1.5 liter water bottles at dinner, at the dining.
It's definitely worth it. You just have to wait a little bit to get it.
If you don't purchase this Cheers package and you decide that you want it, you can't actually purchase it until the second day, and it's $56 per person with still 15% gratuity.
Once after the second day is over, you can no longer purchase the package, and you cannot purchase it for only a couple of days.
You have to purchase it for the entire duration of your cruise. Okay guys, so we've given you the stats, and we've given you all of the information that you can need to make the judgment. But our opinion, we would definitely buy the Cheers package again, just because we enjoyed the peace of mind of knowing that the drinks were paid for and all we had to do was swipe our little card. So even if we didn't get but 5 drinks that day, we at least knew that we made that $50 for that day.
And it was very convenient, and that made it worth it.
We will definitely be doing the Cheers package on our next Carnival cruise. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button.
Subscribe.
And do us a step further and share this video so that way it can help the next person. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.